Life in rural China is centered around agriculture, family, and community. Villages are often small, tight-knit communities where farming is the main livelihood. People grow crops like rice, wheat, and vegetables, and raise livestock, with farming methods varying from traditional hand tools to more modern machinery in some regions. The rhythm of life is closely tied to the seasons, with planting and harvest times being key moments of communal effort. Family plays a central role in village life, with multiple generations often living together. Respect for elders is deeply ingrained, and families gather for traditional festivals like Chinese New Year and the Mid-Autumn Festival, which are important cultural events. Neighbors often help each other, and social bonds are strong. Living conditions can range from basic homes made of wood or brick, with limited access to modern amenities, to more developed homes with electricity, plumbing, and internet in some areas. While infrastructure has improved in recent years, rural areas still face challenges such as healthcare access and the migration of younger people to cities for work. Despite these changes, rural China retains its deep connection to tradition and the land.